Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss to part 10 Human Resource in Laravel 10. Already my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist inside already video uploaded. This 9 video uploaded. This video is 10. Part 10. Let's start step by step this video. Already my Gem server started. Apache and MySQL I started. This my Gem server folder. Inside htdoc folder, inside this project name is short name is means SR. This human resource management resource. This open the Sublime text editor. This my text editor successfully open. This PHP version is 8.1 and Laravel framework 10.10 this plus. Let's check. This folder name is SR. This project is the SR localhost PHP my admin successfully good working. This PHP version 8.1.2. This project name is localhost SR. This project name successfully good working. This login screen. Let's check this env file. .env file open. Font small. This SR. This database name is SR. Let's check this SR database name. Click this user table. This login test@gmail.com. Inside this SR means big smart. SR means 1, employee means 0. This SR means 1 means for SR 2 employee. This company. This login this SR. Copy this email and paste here password 123456 and sign in. Successfully login good working. This employee create step by step this file open. List file. This close env file. This resource inside view inside backend inside employee inside this list blade PHP. This file good working. This ID first name last name and email. This static name successfully good working. This step by step. This a link add employee. This button a link. Let's start URL. This employee admin employee and add. This URL create. Open the route inside this web.php. Open this second route. Copy this route and paste here and this add. This copy and this paste. This paste inside div new function. Create this add function. This copy this add and employee controller. Open this employee controller backend inside AF HTTP controller backend inside employee controller. This controller open the new function. Create public function. This add copy here. Copy this and paste here. This add request and $request echo he and save file and refresh this browser. Successfully refresh and click the add employee. Click the add employee. This he available. Good working. Remove this. Return view this backend folder. This backend folder. View inside this view inside this backend folder. Backend inside employees folder. This employees folder dot employee inside not available file add file. This new file create add blade PHP. Let's check this my project. Check resource inside the view backend and employee not available add blade PHP file. Let's create this add blade PHP file. Add dot blade dot txt remove PHP. Successfully file create. This file is the blank. Let's check again. This file blank. This hello who and save and refresh. Successfully available. Good. Set this path set. Step by step all started. This list add this. Copy this all. This employee list inside copy here, copy this and paste here. Successfully paste and again open this list section. This not a copy and this copy and last paste here. This paste here. Save file and refresh browser. Successfully add employee list. Success. Click and employee. Successfully good working. Step by step add this sidebar. Open layout this sidebar inside this li. Remove this home. Successfully remove and save. Successfully home remove. This good working. This all home remove. This dashboard good working. This list employee. Let's employee file list available. This list employee. Let's check this list employee. Add employee. Open inside add employee. This home remove. Inside this new file create already add employee. Again this open and remove this list and this sidebar file open. This remove and list. Save all file and refresh. Good working. This add employee. Step by step form set. Form is column. This new tab create table user table. This already user table create. This list user table means employee means this already set. This second first video. This employee means 0, 1 means SR single table. Name means name available. This first name is this name. First name. This email available. This email available. All new field add step by step. All field add this name inside this user table. Click this user table and structure and create name inside this. Second name is last name. This last name copy. Last name varchar 255 and null and save. Successful. First name is name, last name, first name, last name, email already create, phone number, all step by step include. This password inside this remain number token, email inside this email verification, and password inside all step by step here. Password inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 column add. This 7 column add this password, this 7 and click the go button. Click 7 column set. Step by step add 7 column. Name, this phone number, hire date, job id, salary, commission, pct, and manager. Again department id add this. Oh, my missing this phone number, this hiring date, job, salary, commission, pct, manager id, and last department id. All step by step add. Writing this all code. This pct means department. The step by step all field add. This phone number is varchar 255 and this null. Higher date means date, null. Job id, varchar job id, this varchar, 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 and varchar. 255, 255, 255, and 255, and 255, and all null set. All null set, and step by step all null set. This writing all code and click the save button. This user phone number, this hiring date, all date, varchar, null. Job id 2 times again add this job id, remove this again. This salary, salary add 2 times job id add. Phone number, hiring, job, salary, commission, all step by step set, and save the click the. Successfully save. All table set. Click the browser. Successfully table set. This win once means SR0 means employee. Successfully set this table. All set. Job, salary. Let's start this add form. This employee inside new file, create this add. Let's check this add file. Employee add, employee, step by step code add. Let's start. Section, class, content, div, class contain field, div, class row, div, class call md12, div, class card, card info, div, class card header, s3, class card title. Title is employee add, add employee. in this label form start class form horizontal method, this post method action, this blank encrypt type, this multiple form data. Div class card body, div class form row, group row, label close this label class, call sm10, call form label, this first name, this required span required, span style color red, this required, this label inside this div class call sm10, this two add, this label 2 and this 10 add. Input this name is text, name is this name already create, this name first name is this name, database name add, class form controller and this required and placeholder, enter first name, save file and refresh this page. Successfully set, this form successfully first name set, this required, enter first name, this copy this and paste here this last name change this last, inside this name different name is this last name, successfully set this last name, save file and this not a required, this required remove and style this remove. Let's save and file search, this star not available, this field is not required. Successfully click this employee button, click and this add employee. Step by step field set. Second field is this email, third field this email, copy this email, this copy here, copy this and paste here email id, this email id is the required, this text is email and database table name is this name is email available, this email email set, enter your email id and required. This required. Let's save file and refresh this browser. Successfully set email id. Third, fourth means force copy here, copy and mobile number means phone number. This phone number is not required, not compulsory. Mobile number is not required. This phone number copy and paste here. This email text and this name is add phone number add. Successfully phone number add. Let's save file and refresh this browser. Successfully phone number set not required. This required. Phone number not compulsory add. Copy this and paste here. Successfully paste this hiring date. Hire date means required, compulsory. This dot add and required field. This required field. Hire date. Select this hire, enter where hire date. This browser open. This name is this hire date. Name hire date and this date set. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully hire date. Select this date. Select this calendar. Good working. This today date available. This date. Any date select. This all month available. This any date select and set. Successfully good working. This hire date is compulsory required. This job ID is a drop down. Copy this label. And this section is remove. This add job ID means job ID set means job table new create in job ID. Let's select class form controller name add. This name is job ID. Option value select job title. Otherwise this job ID means title. Any means ID set. This job title. Job title set. This again drop down add this blank. This name step by step set. Job means web developer, PDF developer. Step by step set. This 1 and 2 etc is dynamic all step by step set. This not good working. In this new table create step by step. This join query this job ID step by step create. Let's refresh this job ID. This drop down in job select this add step by step add this show this job. This job show is inside. This job menu create already. Step by step second video create. This required. This required means red. This red. Job title, select job title. Next, salary. Salary means this required compulsory. This copy. This salary email ID is copy and paste here. Salary, this email remove this text. Salary compulsory required. This name is database name, select this salary. Salary add, enter your salary. This salary successfully set and refresh browser. Salary set. Next, commission PTC. Copy this commission PTC required compulsory. Copy commission PTC. This copy and paste here. This commission spelling check. This commission spelling commission PTC. This commission PTC P C and T. This required text. Share this database name, this copy name here and paste here. Successfully commission PTC set and save browser. This job ID means job. This create inside this job show. This menu inside job create. This job inside show. Step by step this static data available. This manager name means manager ID means manager name. Add step by step. Step by step add. Step by step add manager ID. This manager ID commission set. This two sets manager ID. Copy here and manager ID. Otherwise manager ID. Otherwise name. Manager name. This add is compulsory required. This job means job manager ID. Add this manager ID, manager name. Job means job title and job manager name. This manager is XYZ in this ABC. This new create this manager. Inside this menu new create this manager. Add inside this manager file save and refresh this and show. This dummy data available. This dummy data job title and this dummy data available. Dummy data available. And last this copy here and paste here. Paste this. Successfully paste and department name. Department name means department ID. This ID all join query select. Then department name. Department RTC developer department and BDM department. Save file on set. Save file and compulsory all required. This step by step form set and this let's submit button set. This let's submit button add. This set and this form inside this button inside form all step by step include this button div class card footer button the type submit and class btn primary with this add and this a link class btn default float right. This cancel. Let's save file and refresh this page. This add button, click this add form and this cancel means back button, this cancel. This copy name and this URL, this cancel URL, this cancel, this again, this copy this button add means submit add button and cancel this button. Float right this class inside this add float right. Successfully save and add button, click this submit and cancel this, click this back button, otherwise back button, this cancel otherwise back. Any two button name set. This back button and submit button, click this submit, this required and click this required, click this required date, this calendar select and this required this select and this required salary all required, this required and this required and not a compulsory and not a compulsory. This submit is not working good, this error show, list this employee method error show, this not good working. Let's step by step route add this, please writing all code step by step, all set and new route create, this CRF token add, CSRF field add, this action route create, URL and this add, copy this URL, copy and this URL paste this route, open this route web.php open and post method this post method add post. This method already post select. This method post select. Inside this post add same route. This is post. And new function create this function. Copy this name, copy, and this controller open employee. This already select this public function and request $request and dd $request all and save file. Let's again this all data fill up. This first name is xt, this first name, last name is add, this email id add is it is gmail.com, mobile number any into mobile number, this add, this job title add, salary set, commission and it is add etc and submit. Successfully all record show. This add, this dd set all name, this name is first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job id, salary, commission, ptc, man, this all set, manager id, department id, step by step all names set, this crf token. This back button click, all cancel this back button, this cancel this back button. Successfully set. This video is done. Please next video is the 11. Create this inside this insert all record, step by step all record add. This 11 video create. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.